at the end of the day,
but as an artist,
you write music based upon your vibe. You don't write music based upon what makes money. Anyone can go in, write a house tune, put a couple of Rhodes keyboards over it, you know what I mean?
Yes, peeps, it's your boy Busy Bee back again, this time with a Dub One interview. This is one of the last drum and bass interviews that I wanted to catch up with a man like Dub One. Caught him over there on the last Clash Fam. Check it out. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and get to 50 likes and upload another interview. Shout goes out to DJ RuffKutt, 00, Sumon Underground, and all the massive featured in this video.
Facebook Live Massive, big up. Are you ready, Massive?
Oh, those.
give you something to remix for me.
Sorry, mate?
I'm gonna give you something to do a dub for me.
I'd love to,
mix.
mate.
Yeah?
Wait, what are you thinking?
Something. I don't know yet, man.
I'll tell you one tune I've always loved of yours, Busy.
Tell me.
Fire.
Fire, yeah?
Yeah. You feel the bass like it's on fire!
Well, I told
That's when the Eamon comes in, that low bass.
I told Equinox I was going to send you and him the parts for War Factor 1 as well.
Yeah.
So
Love to.
I've got all in the folder. It's just that I'm too lazy to put each one.
I know you feel
it. Yeah. Do your duties then.
Exactly, man. You good, yeah? Great, man. So we had to cut out on your set the other night because you had to get back real quick. You know what I mean? But we was enjoying it, man. We wanted to see where it was going.
so late.
Where did you go with it? Because like you started off with some fat little drum kit. Yeah.
Let me use it because
That's some different flavor.
so it's a little bongo thing.
Yeah, I like it. Double O, I'll catch up. Yes. No problem, man. Nice one. That calling deli's heavy.
You got 70.
All your tunes are heavy. What are you talking about? Have you got any? Have you got new stuff now? I know you've done that Dem Dare remix now that we spoke about last time.
Yeah, I did the Dem Dare one. I've had another release on ACO.
Yeah.
Since. Shit, what was the one? I had 2 releases on Sightwax. I've got another one coming on Stand Firm, which is Rumbleton's label.
Your own label? You got your own label going as well?
Sorry, mate?
You got your own label at the moment?
No, I haven't got my own label,
So
no.
you're concentrating on creativity?
I'd like to have my own label at some point, but it's not something I've scoped for at the moment. But
It's nice just to focus on the creativity.
yeah, exactly. To be honest with you, I've got so many old tunes that haven't come out. I kind of just want to get a lot of the old stuff finishing out of the way, you know.
Yeah.
I've got something coming out on Bustle Beats, which is run by Subtle Audio. I've got another release coming out on Foundation X. And then obviously I think my next 2 for Sightwax are already organised, I think. So yeah, it's bits and bobs in the pipeline, but
Killing it, man. That's good.
cheers, man.
How
Thank
many
you.
tracks a week do you make?
A week?
Yeah.
0.
Oh, okay, so you take your time.
No, I'm very slow at writing. I'm the sort of person that I won't write anything for like months and months and months, and then in the space of a month I write 3 or 4 tunes in one go.
You finish them all up, like you work on them at the same time. Same them, come back to them.
Yeah, I'm terrible. I can't constantly work on music because I don't always feel in the right vibe, you know. I have to be in the right mindset to write.
And you got to give it that. Sometimes you got to give it time to rest.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Third person.
Especially when you've been listening to Eamon like full stop for 3-4 weeks, and then you try and write an Eamon tune. It's don't get me wrong. As much as I love Eamon, it doesn't matter. But sometimes I think, all right, I'll write a soul pride tune or a tighten up tune.
No.
And then I'll do it.
Because everything loops off of Amen.
Yeah,
when
but,
you hear strings.
yeah, but I'll do that, but then I will go back to an Amen tune as the next one after. You know? Or I'll do a tune with tighten up and Amen. And like switch, you know, just I just want to get. Yeah, do you know, I love, everyone would say I love Amen, but I don't want to be pigeonholed as just being an Amen rate producer. I mean,
But you might as well though.
it's easy to.
We got, I reckon back in the day, we got squeezed out of Amen because of how things work. We got squeezed out of using Amen. I mean, he got forced into using another label, you know what I mean?
It's like when it comes to music, just make what you feel, innit? It don't even matter the genre, man. Just gotta make what you feel, innit?
Yeah,
Sometimes
exactly.
that's what keeps it interesting. Like, sometimes I'll make a 140 tune or whatever.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
Even 100 BPM thing. And sometimes by doing that, you discover new ideas. And then you might end up chucking a name in on that anyway.
The most important thing of writing music is follow your vibe. If you're not feeling writing drum and bass, don't write drum and bass. Write someone else.
My biggest selling track was 135 BPM.
Yeah.
And it sold 56,000 copies.
Was that
Basically.
that? Oh, Marlon told me. What was it?
Second protocol, basically. Speakerbox. That was with two other guys. It was like breakbeat thing. 135, 20,000 copies.
This is something you never witnessed before.
That is a lot. That's good, B, man.
At the end of the day, if you're getting ideas for other styles, then why not? Don't look at it as like
Go with
a
what
genre.
you feel, you know.
Yeah, don't look at it as a genre. Like, to me, a genre is something that the crowd that buy your music put it in a category on the shelf as.
Yeah, at the end of the day,
but as an artist,
you write music based upon your vibe. You don't write music based upon what makes money. Anyone can go in, write a house tune, put a couple of Rhodes keyboards over it. You know what I mean? But if you're not feeling it, don't do it. You know, at the end of the day, what makes you as an artist is making your own sound.
Yeah.
You know, and just write whatever you feel is a vibe. You know, I'm a firm believer in you should always write what you feel.
Sometimes I don't feel like running at like 160, 170.
Yeah, I'm the same.
I'll just sit there and say, you know what, that rate just sounds sick. If it was like 100 BPM with like a rugged kind of bass line under it.
Yeah.
Because you never know where it'll end up. And at the end of the day, if it's something that has loads of selling potential and you chuck it away, then you could be like chucking away the chance to support yourself as an artist for the next 10 years. And I know for a fact, like, I'd always come back to making Amen and making drums no matter what I do. I don't earn money out of it as such. Yeah, not compared
Well,
to my daytime
we've
job.
never done it for money, have we? Let's face it. If we did it for money, we'd be making pop music, you know?
Yeah.
It's all done for love. We're all done for the love of what we do, you know? And that's the way it'll always be. In my personal opinion, I'll never make music to sell out or to cater for a particular type of crowd. I make music that I feel what comes from my heart, and I'll never change that, you know. And that will always be me.
Well, I would like to make country and western myself.
that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. Peace.